Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to make your Facebook story public. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure your story reaches a wider audience. Whether you're sharing a personal update or promoting your business, making your story public is essential for maximizing engagement. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on What's on Your Mind at the top of your screen to start creating a new post. This is where you can share your thoughts, photos, or videos with your audience. Now, look for the Post Audience Selector. This is usually represented by a little icon, like a globe or two heads, located at the top of your post. Tap on this icon to adjust who can see your post. You'll see options like Friends, Friends Accept, or Specific Friends, but for this tutorial, we want to select Public. By choosing Public, anyone on Facebook can view, like, comment, and share your post. Once you've selected Public, tap on Done to confirm your choice. Now, finish crafting your post by adding any additional details, photos, or videos you want to include. When you're satisfied with your content, tap on Post to share it with the world. Making your Facebook story public is a great way to increase visibility and engagement. Whether you're a business looking to reach new customers or an individual wanting to share your experiences with a broader audience, these steps will help you achieve your goals. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Facebook stories are seen by everyone, not just your friends. This is especially useful for businesses or public figures who want to expand their reach and build a larger following. Remember, making your posts public allows anyone to share them, which can help your content go viral and reach a much wider audience. In conclusion, making your Facebook story public is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your online presence. So, go ahead and give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on social media and tech.